And it's now time for the business review. Pre-packaged food is becoming a norm. Consumers can pick up their favorite item from the supermarket shelf and eat it with very little hassle. One local company is ensuring that Jamaican delicacies are part of quick meal items. TVJ's Andrew Ledley explains.
A manufacturing company which has been around for more than 3 decades, providing famous Jamaican delicacies not just for us here in Jamaica, but also for the diaspora. On this episode of the Business Review, we're taking a closer look at CANCO.
Some years ago, when the FDA came down here, which was in about 2000, to get us certified for HACCP, the place looked nothing like this. We had some wooden things out here with mesh on it and some blue tarp over it. And I remember when they reached the gate, when they arrived at the gate, some wind came and blew off all the, the stuff and covered up the supervisor on it. I said, we must fail this whole thing. This must be a failure.
Fast forward to today, and CANCO has its products in supermarkets all over the globe. You may be more familiar with the name Linstead Market. That's the brand the company uses in trade. And although the company produces for distribution in the United States and Canada, Mr. McDonald says the priority is to ensure that the quality never falls.
We were one of the first 2 companies who got approved for Atkins to go into the US. And it has grown significantly. And a lot of the development has been as a result of having to meet international standards.
But establishing a business like this one comes with its challenges.
Getting raw material has been one. Banking has been another. I must tell you, it's very difficult for small and medium-sized enterprises to get any banking, to get adequate banking. Frankly, things have improved a lot, but banking has been one of the biggest problems in all the business I've had. All the business I've had, access to capital at reasonable rates has been a problem. Not just rates, but the length of time it takes for things to come through.
When quizzed about how he manages those obstacles, Mr. McDonald indicated that he took a leap of faith.
I'm a serial entrepreneur. I go into business and I will be very frank, I don't even look down the road. I just put my head down and work. I've had several other businesses. I decide I'm going in. I don't do enough research, I must tell you, but I go in and I give it my best. And I hardly project how far it is going to go, which is maybe not a good thing, but that's how it is.
For now, the company is producing akis, kalaloo and peas, but Mr. McDonald says he has the capacity to do much more.
We want to be producing products for other people. If people have good products that they think have a market possibility in Jamaica or abroad, if it is produced by us, it can go like that. We're actually producing for 1 or 2 people right now, and their product will be able to go straight into the States because it has been passed by the international organizations. If you have a product, you have developed it scientifically, you have done the market research, you have done the labels, and you have identified markets that it can go into. It could be something you're doing in your kitchen, right? Once you get it approved at the Scientific Research Council, Bureau of Standards, which we can help you with, guide you in that direction, then that product can be produced here at volumes that you'd never be able to handle yourself if you don't even have a factory.
Andrew Ledley, TVJ News.